There's a fresh controversy over relocation of statues in the parliament. Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress president, now has written to Vice President JP Dhankar, also the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. In fact, it was Vice President Dhankar who had inaugurated Prerna Sthal on Sunday. It has all the statues of icons at the parliament complex. In fact, the new site hosts statues of freedom fighters and icons. Congress president has written saying that this decision was arbitrary and the opposition was not consulted on this. Joining me now is Maria Shakil, my colleague who also covers the government. Maria, tell us what has Mr. Kharge pointed out and what is this controversy all about?
Yes, so only recently the Vice President, who is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, inaugurated Prerna Sthal. It's a dedicated place which has all the icons and legends of India, from Mahatma Gandhi to B.R. Ambedkar. All their statues are present there. Remember, Vasudha, earlier in 2019, Mr. Kharge says that there used to be a committee which was responsible for moving any kind or placing any new picture or statue in the parliament premises. So there was due consultative process which was undertaken before such a move used to happen. Now what we are being told is that this is what Mr. Kharge has raised in that letter, details of which he has put out on X, and he is saying that this committee was reconstituted in 2019, and after that there has been no movement whatsoever, and without any consultative process, how can the government arbitrarily decide that a particular figure of India's politics should be placed in which part of that Prerna Sthal? When Prerna Sthal was inaugurated, we did see some presence of party, various MPs. Also, the Lok Sabha Speaker was in attendance, Mr. Om Birla. But overall, this is going to be the new flashpoint because Mr. Kharge is highlighting that he, of course, will be speaking to other MPs and making it more like some kind of humiliation or insult to the icons of India.
Right. Thank you, Maria, for joining us with those details. We also have two guests to discuss this brewing controversy now. We have Mahima Singh, spokesperson of the Congress party, and we have Mahesh Verma, leader of the BJP. Thank you so much for joining us. To you, Mr. Verma, first. Sir, the Congress party the President, Mallikarjun Kharge, has pointed out to the fact that there's actually a committee that looks at allocation of statues. Why could the Speaker have made this decision without consulting the opposition? Because, the Parliament is an iconic spot. It belongs not just to the government, but to the opposition as well. Maybe a meeting with the opposition would have been better, isn't it?
देखिए, इस तरह की चीजों को कहीं अपने पत्र के माध्यम से या इस तरह के मौके पे इस तरह का कोई राजनीतिक लाभ मिल जाए कांग्रेस को। अब इस स्तर की राजनीति पे उतारू अगर हो गए हैं खड़गे जी, तो ये कहा नहीं जा सकता किस संविधान में, किस कानून में, कौन सी कमेटी प्लेस के बारे में मैंने तो कभी नहीं सुना कि पार्लियामेंट में भी ऐसा होता है कि इस जगह पे, इस प्लेस पे जो है हमारे महापुरुषों की अगर स्टैचू लग गई है तो हम उसको वहां से उठा के दूसरी जगह, कई बार हुआ है। जब मनोहर जोशी जी थे तो छत्रपति शिवाजी का मुझे याद है अच्छी तरह से, उनका एक प्लेस डिसाइड हुआ, उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं यहाँ नहीं लगेगा, यहाँ लगेगा। इसी प्रकार से बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर के स्टैचू का भी उसी तरह से किया गया था, रिलोकेट किया गया था जब राजीव गांधी ने वहाँ लाइब्रेरी की ये बात करी थी, जब लाइब्रेरी बन रहा था वहाँ पार्लियामेंट में। तो ये एक प्रकार से कांग्रेस का कानून जो है इस देश में किस तरह से स्थापित हो, कांग्रेस इन चीजों पर भी अगर बात नहीं आएगी तो इससे बड़ी और क्या राजनीतिक दिवालियापन कहा जाएगा। ये कौन सा कारण है जो कि वो अपने पत्र के जरिए कौन सा ऐसा मुद्दा, पब्लिक का मुद्दा उठाने जा रहे हैं। महापुरुषों के हमारे जो लोग हैं उनकी सारे लोगों का जो है स्टैचू वहीं रहेगा, एक ही जगह लाकर, और उसको अच्छे से हम बहुत मर्यादित तरीके से उसको करेंगे। एक जगह रख रखाव भी अच्छा होगा, मेंटेनेंस भी अच्छा होगा। पता नहीं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ऐसे
let me ask this to Mahima Singh. Mahima Singh, Mahesh Verma is pointing out to something very important. He's saying that it's a small issue. All the icons have not been removed from the Parliament complex. In fact, they'll be in one spot, and in fact, it will also be easy for visitors and MPs to pay tributes, and that the Congress party is politicizing a small matter. How do you see this?
Jai Vasudha, it is not only arbitrary, uncalled for, but it is also very unbecoming of now the NDA government, we have seen how the Modi government over the past 10 years has been very unsettled over voices of dissent. And so this move is very characteristic of the tendency that the BJP and Mr. Modi have had to muzzle the voices of dissent of the opposition. We have seen how, in an unprecedented manner, more than hundreds of MPs were expelled last year. We have also seen how Central Vista came about, in the thick of pandemic, when the world was trying to cope up with and was gasping for oxygen. While in Delhi, you see thousands of people every day died in shortage of oxygen, Modi government and Mr. Modi were busy building this Central Vista without consulting the opposition, without taking into confidence all the stakeholders. Thousands of trees were befallen. When the inauguration of this Parliament House happened, rather surprisingly twice, we saw the President of India's position was undermined. She was never invited for that inauguration, not the first time, not the second time. So it is very characteristic of the BJP to undermine the procedures and protocols, to undermine authorities, to undermine the people of this country and their voices. And today, when the BJP spokesperson is speaking in rather, I would say, fastidious manner, I was quite shocked because the NEET controversy is hovering over. Our leaders are holding press conferences and calling out the government and asking their accountability, where their concerned minister comes out and you see just spills.
Okay, Mahesh Verma, would you like to respond to that? Because she's asking a very simple question. Why was the opposition not consulted if you were so sure of your position that it's for the better, that all the icons are kept in one place, the respect could be sort of like, better done, and in fact, it could be, the statues could be better maintained, but why just one meeting with the opposition would have made it so simpler?
इसका मतलब ये नहीं निकाला जाना चाहिए ना कि अगर आपसे कंसल्ट, अगर हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, कोई गलत चीज कर रहे हैं, अगर आपको कोई चीज गलत लग रहा है, आप अपना सुझाव दीजिए ना, एक कंस्ट्रक्टिव सुझाव आना चाहिए आपका, एक खूबसूरत आपके आइडियाज को कहीं हमारी चीजों में उसमें गलत क्या है? अगर सिर्फ गलत यही दिखाई दे रहा है कि आपसे पूछा नहीं गया, तो वो महा अपमान हो गया। कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष से अगर बात नहीं हुई तो वो महा अपमान हो गया। इस देश में अपमान का मतलब ये कि कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष से एक बात, दूसरी बात, इसी तरह से इन लोगों ने बवंडर स्टार्ट किया। जब सड़क पे आज 75 साल से अमर जवान ज्योति जो जलाई जा रही थी, उसको जब सही प्लेस मिला और सही जगह मिला, सड़क से उठा के अच्छी जगह उसको ले जाया गया, उस समय इन लोगों ने हो हल्ला हंगामा किया। आप एक गवर्नर जनरल की मूर्ति जो थी इंडिया गेट पे, उसको हटा के नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस का लगाया गया, उसको लेकर भी
Mahima ji, as a reporter, I do feel that all political parties are increasingly touchy about identity issues, and a country like this where these matters are very sensitive, do you think even the opposition party and the ruling party have to let go of a few matters, because everything cannot become a controversy? And of course discussion is always a great thing, but not everything is aimed at insulting the other person, isn't it?
Vasudha, I must say कि इस गलत फहमी में मेरी कौम गूंगी हो गई, एक मेरे आवाज उठाने से भी क्या हो जाएगा, when the BJP spokesperson speaks so frivolously, saying that Congress president, why should he be offended? Well, he is leading the main opposition party in this country, and that is the reason enough for the BJP, that is the very reason for the BJP to silence and to look away from the voice of dissent that we have been. Those statues right in front of the houses were the very spots where we held protests as our
महिमा जी, ये राजीव गांधी जी के टाइम में यही पुण्य हो जाता है, और जब हम कर रहे हैं तो ये पाप हो जाता है। क्या मतलब
the killers of Gandhi do not want the statue of Gandhi to be right at the heart of the parliament. The problem is that the killers of Gandhi, this is the mentality of the killers of Gandhi, and that is why they do not want to consult. They do not want consensus. They want anarchy. They want tyranny.
I'm short of time now. Thank you, Mahesh ji. Thank you, Mahima ji, for speaking to NDTV. Clearly, a new controversy has broken out on the relocation of national icons, the statues of freedom fighters and national icons, to Prerna Sthal inside the Parliament complex. Of course, Congress party has said that this is insulting to national icons, while the BJP has said that this is a better way of paying tributes with all the statues in one place.